Welcome back to today's episode of Tech Talk. In a previous video earlier this week, we did film this engine that's here with me today. So this is an interference-driven engine, and we decided that we wanted to go a little deeper into what an interference-driven engine is. So if we do have a customer in the market for this type of engine, you can really know what's in your vehicle and really know what you're purchasing. So basically an interference-driven engine is an engine that is a 4-stroke internal combustion piston engine. Lots of words, I know. But basically this just means that the valves that are in the fully open position in this engine are able to extend into the same areas that the pistons are. Designers really like this platform because it does allow them to maximize the compression ratio that they are able to get out of the engine. However, there are obvious problems, and that does include valve and piston collision. If you experience this type of damage, there is really no band-aid or easy fix that you're able to put on it. Unfortunately, it can also be caused by really simple failures, such as camshaft component or timing component failure as well. Basically, the most common way this engine fails, if you're driving and your timing chain or belt breaks, what's going to happen is that your camshaft is going to stop turning. However, by way of inertia, your crankshaft will keep turning. So that's going to mean you have open valves and now pistons that are able to extend into those valves. They are going to collide, the valve is going to bend or break, and at that point you will need to rebuild or purchase a new engine. A mechanic can check for damages in your engine by doing what we call a leak down test of each cylinder or checking the gaps between your valves. Obviously, if you have a bigger gap, the more damage you have. Really, again, there is no band-aid you can put on this kind of damage. You are going to need to rebuild or purchase. Luckily, we do offer the interference engines here at Powertrain Products, and our friendly and knowledgeable techs are here to help you. So give us a call at 888-842-0023 or follow us online to powertrainproducts.net.